Air fryers are everywhere right now, but did you know some of them might release toxins at high temperatures? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a huge trend, non-toxic Japanese-style air fryers. Are they really safer? What makes them different? And what should you look for before buying one? Let's break this down step by step. Firstly, let's define what an air fryer is. An air fryer uses hot air to cook food. It creates a crispy layer without the oil. Traditional fryers use lots of oil and can be unhealthy. Next, not all air fryers are created equal. Some materials can release harmful fumes when heated. This is where non-toxic and Japanese-style air fryers come in. They replace harmful materials with safer alternatives. So, what should you look for? Start by checking the material. Look for air fryers made of ceramic or stainless steel. These materials are safer at high temperatures. Next, check for safety certifications. Look for products that are FDA approved or free of harmful substances. Then, consider the design. An efficient design helps minimize heat exposure to the cooking materials. This reduces the risk of toxicity. Does this sound complicated? Let's simplify it with an example. Imagine two air fryers. One is made of non-toxic ceramic and the other of plastic. When heated, the plastic fryer can release dangerous chemicals. The ceramic one remains safe, keeping your meal healthy. To summarize, choose air fryers made of ceramic or stainless steel. Look for safety certifications and efficient designs. This ensures healthier cooking without toxins. Feeling ready to make a safer choice? Explore your options for non-toxic, Japanese-style air fryers. Stay healthy and cook smart.